As a client, you might be wondering what actually goes into the process of Concealed by Covet Mane. I want to show you a few things that you'll be leaving with that will be in your hair. We are first going to start with hand-tied hair. This is how you'll get your transformation, all the beautiful hair. For the wefts, you can see how skinny it is and how it's lightweight, and there's flexibility for it to be able to move comfortably on your head. We will then be using beads. These are the beads, and this will be used to create the foundation of beadwork for concealed. And to bring it all together, we will be using the string and a needle to sew our wefts together. The main points with concealed method is the comfortability, the versatility of being able to wear this method multiple different ways and different styles. So here's what concealed method looks like after an installation. Here's what one row of concealed would look like installed. One of the benefits of concealed is the flexibility of wearing your hair up in a high ponytail with nothing being exposed. Everything is completely hidden and flat against the head.